2010 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. Side step running boards, aluminum sport alloy wheels with Firestone tires, door window visors, roof rack crossbars, rear bumper protector with tow hitch trailer package, flex fuel vehicle. Plenty of room, third row. Nice well-kept black leather interior. Carpeted floor mats throughout, as well as wood grain trim. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Power driver's seat adjustments. Automatic headlights. Power adjustable foot pedals. Free 90-day trial Sirius XM satellite radio. Steering wheel controls. Just over 158,000 miles. Come on, see us at U Cars.